welcome to Crafting with Nana. Today I want to take the mystery out of creating a magic circle. So let's get started. In this video I'm using a lightweight yarn with a size G hook. And the first thing that you'll want to do is take a large paper clip and tie it to your yarn. Just like that. That paper clip gives it weight and keeps the end that you're not going to be using right now sitting on your table. To start your magic circle, you'll want to have your paper clip facing your palm. Then using the other end of the tail, you'll take and wrap around 2 fingers, creating an X. You can hold the rest of the yarn between your ring finger and your thumb. Then take your hook, come up underneath the bottom stitch or the bottom yarn and grab the top yarn, wrapping it towards you to secure it onto your hook. So let's go through that one more time. With the paper clip facing your palm, you'll take the other end of the yarn, wrap it around 2 fingers, creating an X. With your hook, you'll come through the bottom and grab the top, bringing it back out and wrapping it towards you. Now you're ready to secure the circle. Slip your yarn circle off of your hand and go ahead and wrap around to start your stitch. Grab the first stitch and bring it right through the stitch that's on your hook, and that just kind of secures your start for the circle. Then every pattern will say to single crochet within the circle. You're just going to slide your hook in, grab your yarn, and make your single crochet. According to your pattern, do as many stitches as you need to. For this demonstration, I will do 6. So there's 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can see as we've completed, we have stitches along here and we still have a large circle. You're just going to grab that paper clip end and gently close your circle up. Now you're ready to go on with round 2. I hope that this video will help make your crafting magical. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Happy crafting. Bye.